Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily, and today we're going to be going over how to create a pie chart within Tableau. So let's jump into Tableau a little bit. So I'm going to hover over the pie chart and it'll tell us what we need. So we need one dimension and then we need two measures to be able to create a pie chart here. So what I might do is I would say, let's do an order date by year. Okay, and then let's go down to some measures. Let's do sales. Here we can hop into a pie chart, and just went over to the show me pane and then I clicked on the pie chart. We have it broken down by the year and then it's the total of sales. But if we wanted to change this up a little bit, let's say we wanted to change the colors, we could do that through edit colors here. And if we wanted to select the specific year, we could change that up. I don't want it to be the same as any other year, but let's go ahead and do that. And click apply. We could change it to one of these, click assign palette, and then apply. Click OK to exit out of it. If we wanted to increase the size of this, no, it does have some limitations with the size because if you blow it up too much, then it won't look quite right. So I'm going to decrease the size. Okay. And then if we wanted to add labels here, we could do that as well. We could show the marks as labels, so it could show the sales over that. We could add some text here, change the font for this specific visualization. That is just generally going to be how you create a pie chart. Let's say we wanted to save this. I'm going to go over to File, Save, and then I'm just going to add this as sample data pie chart. Okay. And there you go. That is how you create a pie chart within Tableau. I hope that you found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give it a like, subscribe. You can connect with me on LinkedIn at Emily Claw MBA. I do teach over on LinkedIn Learning, so if you would like to check out those courses, they'll be over there. Thanks so much. I'll catch you guys in the next one.